Good evening, one and all. The topic we are going to see today is grid and cloud computing. The topic today we are going to see is cloud characteristics. What are the first we have to understand what are the five essential cloud characteristics of cloud. First is on-demand self-service. Second is broad network access, then resource pooling, then rapid elasticity and measured service. These are the very important five essential characteristics of cloud. Now let us see each one of them in detailed manner. So first is characteristics is on-demand self-service. So on-demand self-service means when the user able to provision cloud computing resources without a human interaction. Mostly it can be done through a based self-service. For example, how we can say tell this means, so without the help of the administrator, the user can log into the cloud and they can get the services whatever they want, services or resources whatever way they want, without the intervention of administrators or any other human interaction. So that is called as an on-demand self-service. So this is one of the best characteristics in cloud. Why? Because for example, if we want to complete the project and we are doing the work in the project, and at midnight 3 o'clock we need particular resources like hardware or any software, as we have paid before for the particular cloud. Example, we can take as Azure or AWS. We can log into the AWS console and we can get the service whatever we want or resource whatever we want at the time what we are ready to use this, or at the time when we need the particular resources. So this is the main important things. So it helps us because so that we are not we don't want to wait till morning to get the administrator to get to connect to the administrator and make them to provide the particular resource or services. So we can get the services whenever we want. It is called as an on demand self service. Next is a broad network access. Cloud computing resources are accessible over the network. So, what is the cloud resource services should be in the form of getting heterogeneous client platform, such as if, for example, the particular client using the mobile devices or tab or in their laptop or in the desktop. So, whatever devices they are using, the particular user are in want to use the service wherever they were and in whatever devices they are using. So cloud services is one of the best thing that we can use even in our we can use the services available in the cloud even in our mobile devices. For example, if we want to, if we are in out of station, or if we are using we are going to some other places apart from the office or something, some project centers also apart from that, so we can get the services of cloud when wherever we go, because we in all the places we will carry out the mobile as our mobile or tab. So the cloud services should be in that particular thing where wherever we go we can take the services of the cloud. So that type of thing is called as a broad network access. Next is resource pooling. Resource pooling means the service from multiple clusters from the same physical resources by securely separating the resource on logical level. So what we can say here, the resource pooling means all the cloud service provider will have a resources in pooled manner. It may be a storage, it may be a network, everything there should be in ready to provide to the client. So for example, we can see in this here, the provider's computing resources are pooled to serve multiple consumers using a multiple tenant model with different physical and virtual resources. So it should be a dynamically whenever they are asking or multiple user asking, the cloud service will provide to the multiple cloud multiple users at a time according to the customer demand. This sense of location independence in the customer generally has no control or knowledge of exact location. It may be it may be a country, state, or data center, any other data center. So example of resources which will be in the pooled means in cloud, that is a storage. We can use a storage devices to store the devices in the pooled manner, or it can be a processing power what we are using, or it can be memory on or network bandwidth, everything we can use it in the pooled manner. So next is rapid elasticity. It is nothing but whenever we want a particular data or services, we can scaled in and we can scaled out. So scaled in scaled out means if you want a particular service storage more, we can use, or if you want to service less, we can use. That is called as a rapid elasticity. Next is a measured service. Measured service means we have to pay as much how we are using it. How in the, for example, this particular called as a pay per use or charge per use basis. This is called as a measured service. All these are the characteristics of cloud. Thank you.